Saul's Autotek, and today we're in front of this 1954 Chevy Bel Air. Now this vehicle was the epitome of 1950s pop culture and was often used in many movies. It was a very common vehicle at the time it was produced, however not in this exact trim. The true Bel Air package that gave it the fins that would soon become larger in 55, 56, and 57, along with the accessory chrome package, the front visor, the lamp and mirror on the side, were all pieces and parts that were unique to these years of this vehicle. As a result, this has truly become a very collectible vehicle. The reality, though, is the majority of these already got destroyed, were owned by younger people that crashed them, kids, high school, college age, and they really didn't last that long. However, in the case of this 69-year-old vehicle, somebody took meticulous care of it, kept it in the garage, made it to the mechanic all the time, and did their rounds to keep it in good shape. Here at Saul's Autotek, we offer a monthly subscription program so that if you've got a classic, exotic, or collectible vehicle that doesn't see consistent road use, we can make sure it gets its regular maintenance, gets through its continual rotations of every piece and part of every bearing and every lubrication necessary, and helps it keep that longevity alive so that you don't face major repairs down the road. We want to make sure that we keep all those pieces and parts moving just like you would with your body so that we don't get stiff and bound up. Your car appreciates that very much in the same way. Now in the case of this vehicle, it came in with a failed ignition switch. Due to the classic and historical nature of the vehicle itself, the owner opted to repair the current switch rather than replace it with an aftermarket or even a new old stock factory replacement part. This means that we're going to remove that ignition switch, disassemble it, physically rebuild it in-house, get it back reassembled back in the vehicle so that he can continue down the road with all the original parts the vehicle came from the factory with. If you've got a classic, a collectible, or an exotic vehicle, something of this nature that you really want to make sure is in the best hands, rest assured that here at Saul's Autotek, we're going to take meticulous care of your vehicle, we're going to make sure it gets the best service available to it, and we're going to only use the best quality parts available for it, the ones that it originally came with. Give us a call. We're here 365 days a year at 303-919-7769. We'd love to help you with yours.